Is your microphone not working in Google Meet? Whether other participants can't hear you, your microphone isn't being detected, or your audio isn't transmitting during meetings, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet microphone not working in 2026. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected if you're using an external headset or USB microphone. If you're using a laptop, verify that the built-in microphone isn't disabled. Next, confirm that Google Meet has permission to access your microphone. Click the microphone icon in your browser's address bar or check your device's privacy settings to make sure microphone access is enabled. If you have multiple microphones connected, open the Google Meet settings and choose the correct input device. Selecting the wrong microphone can prevent your voice from being heard. Make sure your microphone isn't muted in Google Meet or on your headset. Then close any other applications that may be using your microphone, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or audio recording software. Some apps can prevent Google Meet from accessing your microphone. If the issue continues, update your web browser to the latest version, then restart your computer or mobile device. This often fixes temporary software conflicts and audio driver issues. Finally, reopen Google Meet and test your microphone before joining the meeting. If you're using Windows and the problem continues, check your microphone settings or update your audio drivers. And that's how to fix Google Meet microphone not working in 2026. In most cases, checking permissions, selecting the correct microphone, closing conflicting apps, and updating your browser will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.